All I hear is raindrops falling from a rooftop.
What's good, y'all? It's Braids by Nat Nat. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my lemonade braids to the side. I want to thank everyone who watched my last tutorial on my stitch feet and braids. I know I recorded it a little bit far away, but I am really new to YouTube. But I did make sure I recorded up close for you guys. This is actually one technique of many techniques I have of braiding lemonade braids, and I'll be posting another technique really soon. So as you all can see, I started braiding her hair 2 or 3 times like I do always. I also do my stitch feet and braids like this as well. I add about 5 to 6 pieces of hair because I really want to make sure that the braid is consistent throughout and that they're small. When I get down to the nape, I add a little bit of extra hair because I do run out of hair, and I also want to maintain her frizz and make sure it's not sticking out too much of the braid hair. And it also depends on the length. Some clients want their lemonade braids short and many want them long. So once you get to the end of a braid, you continuously add hair. So yep, I just want you guys to watch me, and if you guys have any questions or feedback, please leave them down.